Today, we are moving ahead to explain the collective noun and abstract nouns. Now, the name itself gives us a hint.
Yes, a collective noun is the name of a number or collection of persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole.
So even though there are many people or things, we talk about them as one group.
Exactly. For example, crowd, mob, team, flock, herd, army, fleet, jury, family, nation, parliament, committee.
Let us understand these with meanings. A fleet means a collection of ships or vessels.
And an army means a collection of soldiers.
A crowd means a collection of people gathered together.
Similarly, a herd is a collection of animals, usually cattle.
Now, let's see how collective nouns are used in sentences.
For example, the police dispersed the crowd. Here, the word crowd refers to many people, but the verb treats it as one unit.
Another example, the French army was defeated at Waterloo. The word army stands for thousands of soldiers, but we speak of them as one group.
Here is another sentence. The jury found the prisoner guilty. The word jury means a group of people, but it is spoken of as a single body.
And one more, a herd of cattle is passing. Again, many animals, but one collective noun, herd.
So learners should remember a collective noun names many, but it is treated as one.
That's the key idea.
Yes, and collective nouns are actually a part of common nouns. Now we come to another very interesting type of noun, the abstract noun. This is where learners usually feel a little confused because abstract nouns are not things we can see or touch. An abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, an action, or a state, considered apart from the object to which it belongs.
So in simple words, it is something we can think of, but we cannot see or touch.
Yes, let's understand this step by step. First, qualities.
Qualities like goodness, kindness, honesty, wisdom, bravery, brightness.
For example, we can say, he is a brave soldier. Here, brave is an adjective.
But when we talk about quality alone, we say bravery.
Right. So bravery becomes an abstract noun.
Similarly, a strong man, strength, a beautiful flower, beauty, an honest person, honesty.
Now let's talk about actions. Words like laughter, theft, movement, judgment, hatred.
These words name actions or feelings, but not the person doing them.
For example, his laughter filled the room. Here, laughter is an abstract noun.
Or, the theft was reported to police. Theft is an action, so it is an abstract noun.
Next comes state. This means a condition or stage of life.
Words like childhood, boyhood, youth, slavery, sleep, sickness, death, poverty.
For example, childhood is the happiest stage of life. You cannot touch childhood, but you can think about it.
That's why it is an abstract noun.
Another important point, the names of arts and sciences are also abstract nouns.
Like grammar, music, chemistry, physics.
Yes, you study grammar, but grammar itself is an idea, not a physical object.
Now, let us understand the meaning of the word abstract.
The word abstract means drawn off. That means we separate a quality, action or feeling from the person or thing and think about it by itself.
So learners should remember, if a noun names a quality, an action, a feeling or a state, it is most probably an abstract noun.
And abstract nouns are also a part of common nouns.
Now learners, you have already understood what abstract nouns are. The next important question is, how are abstract nouns formed?
Yes, abstract nouns are formed in three main ways.
Let us start with most common one.
Abstract nouns are very often formed from adjectives. In fact, most abstract nouns are formed this way.
For example, kind becomes kindness.
Honest becomes honesty.
Similarly, brave becomes bravery, strong becomes strength, wise becomes wisdom.
Here, the adjective describes a person or thing, but the abstract noun names the quality itself.
So that is the first method, formation from adjectives.
Now let's move to the second method. Abstract nouns are also formed from verbs.
For example, obey becomes obedience.
Grow becomes growth.
Other examples include judge to judgment, move to movement, decide to decision.
In these cases, the abstract noun names an action or result of an action, not the person who performs it.
Now comes the third method.
Yes, abstract nouns are sometimes formed from common nouns.
For example, child becomes childhood.
Slave becomes slavery.
These words describe a state or condition.
Other examples are man to manhood, king to kingship.
So to revise quickly, abstract nouns can be formed from adjectives, from verbs, and from common nouns.
If learners remember these three methods, forming abstract nouns becomes very easy.
Thanks for watching and happy learning.